Now listen to next question. That is question number 4. 8 by 5 raised to power 2, 5 by 2 raised to power 3, divide by 2 by 5 raised to power 0. This is 8 over 5, it is 5 over 2, and it is 2 over 5. See. Can you see some similarity? This is 5 by 2, this is 2 by 5. If we will do reciprocal, अगर हम किसी 1 का reciprocal कर दें, इसको हम क्या बना सकते हैं? 5 over 2. How we will do reciprocal? When we will do reciprocal, then power will be in negative. Power 0 है. 0 positive and 0 negative is same. 0 प्लस की और 0 माइनस की सेम होती है. 0 के आगे माइनस नहीं डाला जाता. So I will do, you can also do reciprocal. I will write it 5 by 2 raised to power 0 because 0 प्लस की और 0 माइनस की 0 ही होती हैं. Now power same, base same. What you will do? Minus the powers, subtract the powers. 3 minus 0 is 3. You can also do like something raised to power 0, 1. This will be divided by 1, then only this will left. You can do with both methods. Now nothing is same. Now you have to expand it. 8 by 5 you have to write 2 times. 5 by 2 you have to write 3 times. Now we have to solve it. 5 and 5 cut, 5 and 5 cut. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours the 8, 2 ones the 2, 2 fours the 8. This is 2, 2 ones the 2, 2 twos the 4. What is left? 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 4 twos are 8, 8 fives are 14. You can also do directly. Something raised to power 0 मैंने 1. You can also write here 1. Then this will be divided by 1. This only will come. You can choose any method. Now come to question number 5. 2 by 3 raised to power 2 and 2 by 3 raised to power 2 divided by 2 by 3 raised to power 5. Bases are same. In between division is there. Write the base only once and subtract the powers. Denominator see carefully. Bases are not same. It is 2 by 3, it is 3 by 2. We will make it same by rationalizing. इसको उल्टा कर देंगे तो सेम हो जाएंगे. When you will rationalize, पावर क्या हो जाएगी? नेगेटिव. अगर पावर पॉजिटिव में है तो रैशनलाइज करने के बाद नेगेटिव में हो जाएगी. अगर पावर माइनस में है तो रैशनलाइज करने के बाद पॉजिटिव में हो जाएगी. रैशनलाइज करने के बाद उल्टा करने के बाद पावर का साइन जो है चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर पहले पावर के पास प्लस था तो माइनस हो जाएगा. अगर पहले से ही माइनस था तो क्या हो जाता? प्लस हो जाता. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट स्टेप. 2 by 3, 2 minus 5, 3 साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर. दोनों में से ग्रेटर कौन है? 5. 5 के आगे क्या है? माइनस. हेयर 2 by 3 बेस सेम, बिटवीन डिवीजन है. पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगी? माइनस. दिस माइनस इज फॉर फॉर्मूला. दिस माइनस इज विथ 4. नो विच दिस माइनस इज विथ फॉर्मूला. विच फॉर्मूला? दैट बेसिस आर सेम, इन बिटवीन डिवीजन इज देयर, देन डू माइनस. दिस माइनस इज बिलोंग टू दैट एक्सपोनेंट्स लॉ. This minus is with 4. Now come to next step. Minus 3. Now we will open the bracket. Minus minus plus. 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3. 2 by 3 raised to power 7. Again same step. It means 2 by 3 over 2 by 3. What it means? Division. So again what we will do? Division is there, powers will be subtracted. So 2 by 3 raised to power minus 10. We cannot write anything minus 10 times. We can write 10 times. So power is in negative. To make it in positive, what we will do? We will do its reciprocal so that it can come into positive. Now you have to write it how many times? 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now you have to multiply. 3 3 is the 9, 3 is the 27, 3 is the 81, 3 is up to so on. So you will see yourself and I will just write the answer, and answer will be approximately 59049 upon 1024. I can tell you this step. 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3, 2 by 3 raised to power 7. You can write like this also, 2 by minus 3 divided by 2 by 3 raised to power 7. Bases are same, in between division is there, powers will be subtracted. This means division. This division can be also put like this, or you can put like this. Now come to next question. That is question number 7. Question number 6 firstly. Anything raised to power 0 means 1. Anything raised to power 0 means 1. Anything raised to power 0 means 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Now come to question number 7. Minus 3 by 4 raised to power 2 into minus 3 by 4 raised to power minus 5, outside minus 1. Firstly, I can solve the bracket. Bases are same. In between multiplication is there. So powers will be added. 2 plus minus 5, and outside power is minus 1. Divide by minus 4 by 3 raised to power 2. So open this bracket, minus 3 over 4 plus minus minus, outside power is minus 1. Now 2 minus 5, 3, sign of greater term, greater is 5 having minus, so it will minus 3, and outside it is minus 1. Now I will do directly. Inside power and outside power will multiply. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is only 3. So what it will come? Only power 3. Now see, it is minus 3 over 4, it is 4 over 3. Minus is also there. 3 over 4, 4 over 3. We can make it same by doing reciprocal of any one. किसी एक को उल्टा कर देंगे तो दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे. I will do reciprocal of this last one. So what I will write? Minus 3 by 4 raised to power 3 divide by, इसको उल्टा कर देंगे 3 by 4. When do will reciprocal, पावर क्या हो जाएगी? माइनस में उल्टा करने से पावर का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. Now see, bases are same, in between division is there, so powers will be subtracted. Subtract the powers. This minus belongs to formula. This minus is with 2. Now minus minus plus. So what it will become? 3 plus 2. So what will come? Minus 3 by 4 raised to power 5. You have to write it 5 times. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4. Minus minus cut. Minus minus cut. But this minus will come. 3 3s are 9. 3s are 81. 81 into 3. 243.